Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel in your computer. First, locate and open the Microsoft Excel application from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once open, you'll see a grid of cells organized into rows and columns. This is your blank workbook, ready for data entry. Familiarize yourself with the ribbon at the top, which contains all the tools you'll need. Now, let's put some data in. Click on any cell and start typing to enter text or numbers. You can move between cells using your arrow keys or mouse. To make your data readable, adjust column widths by dragging the line between column headers. You can also apply basic formatting, like bolding important titles or changing cell colors to highlight information. Excel's true power lies in its formulas and functions. To perform a calculation, type an equals sign, then your formula, for example, equals A1 plus B1. For common tasks, use built-in functions like sum to add a range of numbers. After entering a formula, you can drag the small square at the bottom right of the cell to copy it to other cells, saving you a lot of time. Finally, it's crucial to save your work. Click File, then Save As, and choose a location and name for your workbook. Saving frequently prevents losing your progress. You can easily share your Excel files with colleagues by attaching them to an email or uploading them to a cloud service. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to keep your feet happy while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.